Hi, welcome to the Dira Nayak The Fitness Insight channel. Please like and subscribe to the channel to watch more workout videos, and please provide a comment if you like this video.
I've been watching you with dark eyes every night, counting up your sins. I keep a list and checking it twice.
Today I will show you a chest workout routine that you can do everywhere. It's only with the bodyweight exercise, and it's adjustable for all kind of levels, no matter if you're a beginner or you're advanced. You can do this routine and really challenge your body to the limit. Now I will tell you 3 things that immediately will boost your performance on the workout, and you can have a way better workout. The first thing is to warm up. No matter if it's 5 to 10 minutes, just a little bit of warm up. No matter what kind of exercise you're doing, it can be jumping ropes or the usual warm up, just a warm up a little bit. The second thing is to stretch. Some exercise for stretching will be very good, and you will feel your body better and you can make a better workout. And the final thing, the third thing, is to subscribe for the channel and share this video. This will make a huge impact on your workout. So let's move to the workout now.
Getting hype when I aim up, elevating that game up, stepping up to the competition. Only first place, and that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave, eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up into place. I was born and when I watch me elevate. Watch me elevate. All in when I show up, whole place about to blow up. Superior to that competition. I'm in first place, yeah, that's how I'm living. I'm with it till they digging up my grave, eating all the things up on my plate. Game face when I step up into place. I was born and when I watch me elevate. Watch me elevate.
If we are one grain of sand in
it all comprise. Your highs, infinity skies. I was stuck down, feeling paralyzed, but I'm up now, we all too late to fall. Yeah, anyone coming, I'ma lift them all. Never look down when it's risk involved. I got guts, got a lot, I gotta risk it all. Ain't got no feelings, we just floating. Yeah, I'm that grain of sand that made it out the ocean. A couple milli now, I'm causing a commotion. I've been coasting, hear my name around the world like an explosion.
So rise up, rise up. We are the apocalypse, and a pill that keeps us floating. As we fly above the stars, the hype won't scare us falling. So rise up. I'm too great to be landed. Rise up. Way too great to be standing.
They never gonna stop us, fly back like choppers.
The first round is done. 4 exercises, 1 minute each. We start with decline push-ups, 1 minute. After this, normal push-ups, 1 minute. Then incline push-ups, and at the end, assisted dips. These 4 exercises with combinations, one after other, for 4 minutes per set. The rest is after we finish the round, these 4 exercises. So now the rest after each round is 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how you feel your body and how much rest you need. You can adjust the time of each of the exercises according to your level. You can go for 30 seconds per exercise if you are not used to this type of trainings, or you can go more than 1 minute, or even add some exercise to this to make it harder if you are an advanced athlete. And that is the workout. You can do 3 to 5 sets to make a good workout, because after 3 to 5 minutes rest you will have energy and you can continue on the workout. It will be very good after this type of workout, because here is a lot of pump on the muscles after you finish your workout to stretch the muscles. Now I will show you some stretching exercises that you can do after the chest workout. And if you like this video, subscribe for the channel.
You can't bury me. You don't never know. I'm still broken in the gutter. It's just me on my side, but I leave you with the shudder. You don't wanna know. I got goals you don't wanna grow. Trying to forget I'm in your head, shatter up your spine. Trying not to choke, but find a joke when you say.
And when you try this workout, write in the comments how you feel after it, and what kind of other workouts you want to see in this channel. Thank you.
Lost your control, think you're alone, I'm still in your mind. You